These are my top 10 organizing products that you definitely don't need, but can be helpful in the right situation, because the truth is what you really need to get organized is less stuff, but some organizing products are helpful. And I know you guys are going to be buying shit for Prime Day anyway, so I want it to be stuff that's not useless. And I have a list together. You know where to find it, and I'll have one for both Canadian and American. Don't worry, it's not pretty to look at. It's in my garage, but this can organizer is one of my favorite. I've had this guy for years, and you can like adjust the width of it and everything, and you can pop things in through the back, and it's just super easy. You like pull something out and the next one falls out, just like in the stores. Next up is another like favorite of mine, and I buy them over and over again, these spring-loaded drawer dividers. See, even I haven't touched this drawer in, I don't know, months and months and months, and it still looks pretty good. And they're just, like I said, spring-loaded, so you can fit them to almost any drawer length, and they're amazing and give structure. Next up, we have shelf inserts, these little guys here, and I combined two here to make it go like the entire length of my cupboard here. Great way to maximize the height, and then you can make use of all the space and not have things stacked and have to move one thing to get to the other. I also use one in my fridge. Speaking of fridge, I've got these Lazy Susans. I use it in the fridge. I use them everywhere. They're just such a good way to like get to stuff in the back without having to take everything out and move things around. And there's this really great oval one too that like suctions and it's meant for the fridge. I'll have that one too. We have this like Tupperware lid container. It's divided so you can stack and like kind of vertically file all your lids for all your containers. Again, I haven't organized this in a while, and we can still find everything and it looks great. Okay, and then we have these like kitchen appliance sliders. They're like these little slidey feet that you put on the bottom. I did have those little caster wheels on, and I shared those with you guys a while ago, but then people complained that they like scratched your counter, which they like leave a tiny mark, but I just took a magic eraser and it goes away. So if you're complaining about the caster wheels, then you can use these little slidey ones, and they help for like, let me show you. It just allows an appliance, ooh, that's a little warm, to like slide in and out really easily, especially if you have like kind of like an appliance garage situation happening. Okay, this one is for organizing kids' artwork. Not organizing, but like storing it and keeping a bunch of it. These are picture frames that, hang on, sorry, did I open it the wrong way? No. Oh shoot, okay, hang on. I don't want to pull it off the wall. Okay, so they open up, there we go. They open up, the magnet's strong, and you can store like tons of papers behind there and then switch stuff out as you want. And they come in different colors and they look really cute. This is gonna be a twofer, but I love these baskets. They have round ones, they have square ones. It's the like Decomomo ones, and I order them all the time for clients. And here are matching slimline hangers. I really like these. I like reducing the visual clutter. If you are a puller and not a taker-offer, get plastic ones. Do not get velvet ones, but I really love these. These next three are like all for travel. So these are S-hooks. I travel with them all the time, hang up bathing suits and towels and all that kind of stuff, because there's never enough space to hang stuff up when you're in a hotel room, when you're in an Airbnb, traveling, anything. Then we have Velcro cord ties. They're really inexpensive. I buy a huge pack. These come with me to my clients all the time. They're super easy. You just like wrap them around the cord, like your charger or whatever. And you just feed this through here. Pretend this is a cord and it stays here, and then you just like wrap the cord and you've got it and it stays together. Super easy, inexpensive. It's stuck to me. And then we have these like poly pouches. Again, these go everywhere with me. I use these for toiletries. I use these for organizing. I use these in my work bag. Okay, and then this one's a little more cleaning than organized, but it's the little like handheld vacuum. And if you watch the video of me crying because I was having a bad day and I thought it vacuumed up this way, it does not. This is the cap. You take it off, it vacuums up this way. And I use this when I'm like reorganizing drawers, to clean up my car, all of that stuff. It's really great.